Sum and difference of two cubes. I'm your teacher, Jacqueline Siliesa. So let us analyze this. We have here the illustration of a cube plus b cube is equal to the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So you can see the given both positive and the first factor, and then the sign positive on the given, opposite in the sign to the second factor. So we can see the observation. As we see the observation, the factors are binomial and trinomial. So we have here binomial and trinomial factors. There are three terms in the second factor. The sign of the second term in trinomial is opposite on the original polynomial. There is also pattern. You can see the pattern, and the key is to memorize or remember the patterns involved in the formulas. So let us analyze this one. B cube plus B cube is equal to the quantity A plus B times the quantity A squared minus AB plus B squared. For A cube minus B cube is equal to the quantity A minus B times the quantity A squared plus AB plus B squared. So you can see in the given, so there is sum and difference of cubes. So we have this also same as A cube plus B cube, but we replace the variable as x cube plus y cube is equal to the quantity x plus y times the quantity x squared minus x y plus y squared, and then the other given x cube minus y cube is equal to the quantity x minus y times the quantity x squared plus xy plus y squared. So let us try to answer this one. We have 8x cubed plus 1. So x cubed, for the solution 8x cubed is equal to, get the factor, we have 2 times 4, x times x squared. So, and then 1 for the second term is equal to 1 times 1. So you can see we put in the quantity the first term 2x, and the other side is we have 4x squared, and then plus 1, and then so we have here 2x plus 1 as the first factor, then multiply to get the middle term in the trinomial, in the second factor, which is trinomial. So for the middle term we have 2x. So the correct answer we have here 2x, the quantity 2x plus 1 times the quantity 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. So let us proceed. How are factors obtained? The factors obtained through extracting the positive cube root of each term and square the roots for the first and the last term on the trinomial, while the middle term is the product of the first and the last term of the first factor. So we're going to extract the positive cube root of each term. So let us have another example, 1 and 27y cubed. So first we have to extract the cube root of 1, which is 1 times 1. Then 27y cubed is equal to 3 times 9 y times y square. So then multiply the first factor, 1 minus 3y is equal to 1 times 3y is equal to 3y, to get the middle term in the second factor, which in the trinomials. So yung the 1, we have the 1, and then the other side factor, in the other side another 1. Then 3y on the second, on the first factor in the second term, then 9y squared on the last term. And then for the middle term, multiply the factor on the first factor, we have 1 times 3y is 3y. Okay, we have another one, 8y cubed minus 64. 8y cubed minus 64. So, for the solution, extract the cube root of 8y cubed, which is 2 times 4 times y squared. Then 64 is 8 times 8. Then we have 2y in the first factor, then 4y squared on the other side, 4y squared. And then for 64 we have 8 and the 8 for the other, for the trinomial factor. For the middle term of trinomial factor, we have 2y times 8 is 16y. So the answer is the quantity 2y minus 8 times the quantity 4y squared plus 16y plus 8. So another one, we have to factor x cubed plus 27. X cubed plus 27, get the cube root of x cubed. We have x and then x squared. For the 27, the cube root of 27, we have 3 times 9. So we have 3 times 9 is 27. Then to get the middle factor on the of trinomial is multiply x times 3, which is 3x. So therefore the answer is the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9. For y cubed minus 8, get the cube root of y cubed, which is y, and then the other side is y squared. And then 8 is 2 times 4. Then for the middle term, multiply y times 2, we have 2y. So the correct answer is the quantity y minus 2 times the quantity y squared plus 2y plus 4. Okay, for another example, 8x cubed plus 8y cubed. So get the cube root of 8x cubed, which is 2x, and then 4x squared. Then another one, 8y cubed, the cube root is 2y and 4y squared. Then multiply 2x times 2y to get the middle term of trinomial, the other side of trinomial, the middle term of trinomial, which is 4xy. So the correct answer is the quantity 2x plus 2y times the quantity 4x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. So another one, to find the factor a cubed plus 8 is equal to, yan. So for y cubed minus 8, we have y. For y cubed, we have y times the times y squared. For the factor of a, to the cube root of 8 is 2 times 4. And then to get the middle term, multiply y times 2, which is 2y. Then we have to factor x cubed plus 27. Get the cube root of x cubed, which is x times x squared. Then cube root of 27 is 3 times 9. So the other 3 and then 9. Then to get the middle term in the trinomial factor is multiply x times 3, which is 3x. For the for the 8x cubed plus 8y cubed, so get the cube root of 8, which is 2x, then 4x squared. Then cube root of xy cubed is 2y, then 4y squared. To get the middle term of the trinomial factor, 2x times 2y is 4xy. Okay, just follow the pattern and memorize. Let us have guide question for generalizations. What are your observations on the sum case? The binomial factor on the right side of the equation has a middle sign that is positive. How about on difference case? Possible answer, the binomial factor on the right side of the equation has a middle sign that is negative. What can you say about the sign of the second term, the second factor? the sign of the middle term in the second factor is opposite to the sign of the original given. Yan. So, let us factor each of the following. So, you will see already the answer. Just just practice on how to get this answer. Okay? And then we have another problem. 27x cubed plus 8. Then 1 minus 125x cubed on 1 whole sheet of paper. Thank you guys. Be calm, stay calm, and enjoy the process. Thank you.